All right, here we go, guys. I picked up MiLESEEY Golf. This is their speaker and their golf range gadget, right? I am super pumped about this little technology. I haven't even opened it up yet. I wanted to give you the first look at it. So you're able to take it and put it on the golf cart. It's going to tell you where the holes are on the course, how far you're from there. And what I'm going to tell you is 0 subscription. Guys, I do not like subscriptions, and this thing not having a subscription is a big game changer for me. My wife will say that as well. That is a great feature because I just don't like subscriptions at all. Like, I want to be able to go to the course, have something charged, and be ready to go. Overall box, I mean, this is super nice. It is heavy, right? It's got a lot going on here. So that's the first impressions of the box itself, and definitely a little bit bigger than I expected it to be. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what we're working with here. Looks really nice. So got a little topographical map right there. Says recommended to pull off this little piece right here. That's kind of cool. Okay. So there's a little hole where you can, oh, okay. So you take it out just like that. That's pretty neat. And then you got the speaker in here. Okay. So in there, that's kind of like the speaker setup. Like I said, I have not opened this yet. We're getting the first look at it here. Got a little, so it's much smaller than the box. So I will tell you that, which is nice. Let's go ahead and open this guy up and see. So we got magnetic on the side, on the back of it. And then you have your speaker, and this is where you're going to connect your unit, which I'll show you that in a second. And then you have all your stuff here. So it looks like maybe I can put a little tether. I have power button, maybe a pair button, plus minus, and I don't know what that one is. We've got a charge aspect right there. So super cool on that. Let's go ahead and check out this piece right here, which is the other one. So I'm not sure if I can pop it out of here without it tearing this. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's a lot smaller than expected. So this is a little unit, and it is handheld. So you're able to take it out. Let's go ahead and see about popping that down. Okay, so it does go in one direction, just like so. That's cool. Let's go ahead and get into the directions a little bit and see what we're working with here. Not sure. So on the top, you got a pretty large manual. Whoop, and a couple things. Drop that all over the floor. My goodness. And then you have, okay, your carabiner, so we can hook it on the bag if we want to. And maybe on the other side, we're going to get a charge cable. Let's see here. Yep, we got a little piece, a little USB-C charge cable. We have a QC pass inspection, a little cleaning cloth, and then on the other side, okay, there is your little lanyard piece as well. Let's go ahead and power it on and get a first view at it. So you have the power button up top. Let's see. Okay. That's pretty cool. So it's going to load up right there. I'm not sure how this looks. So you got, looks like we got to set up the date. You have music. Oh, that is cool. So it is touchscreen right here. Music, you had golf, and then looks like your records, because one of the things about this is it will keep the score as well. Now, I don't know how this works if you take this off. Okay, so you have device detached. I'm not sure how that works. So you're able to maybe put that in your pocket if you need to. And it's connecting. You can see the different batteries. So the battery is 80% or 63% on the handheld. Let's go ahead and see how easy it is to connect. We can get to that as well here in just a minute. But man, this is super sweet. Really cool product. Let's go ahead and do the connection here. So we got a Bluetooth button on the side.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Okay, Bluetooth disconnected. Let's press it again.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Uh-oh. Let's go ahead and see. We get in here, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth. I'm going to scroll down, and
Bluetooth disconnected.
Let's see. Let's see if I can figure this out. Got a quick guide right here. So power button, shot button, shortcut control. Okay, so we do have to use our little connector here. So we're going to go up top maybe. Okay. And then we have, there it is, settings, Bluetooth. So my device is right there. Let's see here. I don't know. So we can get in Bluetooth.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Does not work that way. And that's okay. We're learning together to figure this out. Let's go ahead and see shortcut controls. We got Play Golf right there. Let's see if we can get it connected real quick. It should be fairly simple. Short press to connect. And you do have a multi-link mode. That's kind of cool. Volume up, volume down. The play button is that, and then up and down. Okay, let's see.
Bluetooth disconnected.
All right.
Bluetooth disconnected.
We're getting a bunch of Bluetooth disconnected. Let me turn off. Sometimes with my phone, I want to turn off my Bluetooth, turn it back on. Let's see what we can find here. There it is. Yep, just needed to turn it off and on.
Bluetooth connected.
There it is, just like that. Let's go ahead and get some music going. You know what? I can play some music that is not going to copyright me. Love it. Okay, here we go. And see what we're working with. Sounds really good though, thus far. Got a good sound to it. That's cool. So let's go ahead. There ain't anyone in this. Hey. So that is super sweet. You have the ability to pump it up and down on your phone. And then right here on the side, going up and down. Hey. All right, you got a play pause button. Just like that off to the side. Now let's play it. I'm curious if we can still connect it. Okay, so you're able to handheld this and take this somewhere, which is super cool at the same time. Man, I am super excited to get this out on the golf course and be running it. We're going to be making it happen. But this is the first look at the MiLESEEG Golf. This is their Bluetooth speaker and golf course app. We're going to be checking it out, guys. This thing is sweet. Check it out.